Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can disable or turn off comment on the Facebook page post. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open your Facebook application and here you will see three lines on top right. Click on it and then click on profile of your Facebook page, and then you will see pictures icon. Click on it and here select the pictures which you want to post. So for example, I want to post this page and select the post which you want to publish. So after selecting, click on next options and here click on next options, and here you can see who can comment. Click on it and then you can see there are four options. Public, if you will select public, then anyone can comment on your post. So if you will select established follower, then only people who have followed your page for more than 24 hours can comment on your post. So if you will select profile and page you follow, then only profile and page you follow will be able to comment on your post. So if you will select profile and page you mention, only profile and page you mention will be able to comment on your post. So in this way you can select it according to you. So in this way you can turn off or disable comment on your post. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.